When disaster strikes, you are there to help. Whether it's flood cleanup, fire damage, or mold remediation, you are the people with the knowledge, experience, and gear to get your customers' life back to normal. Now, coming to help you is Ecozone Technologies' series of heavy-duty ozone generators.
We had restoration professionals in mind when we designed the mobile series to withstand heavy usage under severe and tough conditions.
Several models were designed to accommodate various restoration professionals' needs. The Tiger is the most potent ambient air-based mobile ozone machine in the world, boasting an output of 15 grams an hour even in humid or dusty environments, and an airflow of 650 cubic meters per hour. The Super Active O is a combination of output, safety and user-friendliness, yielding 12 grams an hour at any environment and having the ability to shift automatically to an ozone decomposition phase, leaving no residual ozone after the treatment. The Panther is smaller in size and weight, generates 6 grams an hour ozone and is fit for smaller spaces and budgets.
A major advantage of our ozone generator machines is that ozone is homogeneously dispersed in the air right as it comes out of the machine. Therefore, there is no need for any additional equipment to distribute the ozone through the entire treated volume.
Our ozone generators are made to be reliable, strong and user-friendly. Exactly what the restoration professionals need in the field.
Ecozone's ozone generators make a distinct difference.